ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए यू नीड समथिंग लाइक अ डिजिटल वॉलेट जिसमें आप स्टॉक्स और बॉन्ड्स जैसी सिक्योरिटीज को होल्ड एंड ट्रेड कर सकें। दिस इज एग्जैक्टली वेयर अ डीमैट अकाउंट कम्स इन प्लेस। With a DMAT account, you can say goodbye to cumbersome paperwork and say hello to seamless electronic transactions. Here are 7 steps you need to follow to open your DMAT account. Step 1. Select a depository participant or DP. सबसे पहले आपको चूज करना होगा एक डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट और डीपी जो कि एक इंटरमीडिएरी की तरह एक्ट करेगा। This could be a bank, financial institution or a stock broker. Make sure you evaluate aspects like service quality, reliability, trading platforms, customer support, research tools and the overall reputation of the broker before choosing one. Step 2. Fill out the account opening form. Next, fill out the account opening form with your chosen DP. अपनी सभी डिटेल्स एक्यूरेटली फिल कीजिए with your personal details such as name, contact information, bank account details and nominee information. Step 3. Attach the necessary documents. Next, submit the required documents along with your application form for account initiation. Make sure everything is self-attested and in order. Step 4. Verification and in-person verification or IPV. अब आपके DP आपके सबमिटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेरीफाई करेंगे एंड एक इन पर्सन वेरिफिकेशन या IPV भी कंडक्ट करेंगे टू ऑथेंटिकेट योर आइडेंटिटी। दिस कैन बी डन ईदर इन पर्सन और रिमोटली थ्रू वीडियो वेरिफिकेशन। Step 5. Review and agree to terms. Take the time to read and understand the terms and conditions provided by your DP. Once you're comfortable, sign the necessary documents to indicate your acceptance. Step 6. Pay the account opening fees. अब आपको अकाउंट ओपनिंग फी पे करनी है as specified by your DP. These fees may vary depending on the type of account you choose. Step 7. Wait for account activation. बस, you're almost there. Sit back and relax while your DP processes your application. Once your DMAT account is activated, you'll receive your account details, including your unique DMAT account number, that is DP ID and client ID. चलिए, अब जल्दी से ये भी जान लेते हैं what are the charges associated with the DMAT account. First up is the annual maintenance charges or AMC. DMAT account maintenance fees usually range करती है from 300 to 800 annually depending on transaction volume, nature and DP office. हाल ही में SEBI introduced basic service DMAT accounts for small investors, waiving maintenance charges if the account balance stays below 50,000. Next is transaction charges. Every DMAT account transaction incurs charges for debiting and crediting securities. These charges vary among brokers and can differ within a broker's schemes. DMAT account से associated एक और charge है called the safety charges. ये charges reflect करते हैं the shift in responsibility for safeguarding security. DBs can levy minimal fees based on the quantity of securities held. DMAT account खोलने के लिए here's a list of documents you need handy. First, proof of identity. Second, proof of address. Third, passport size photographs. Fourth, filled account opening form. Fifth, income proof if applicable. Sixth, cancelled checked or bank passport copy. Seventh, DMAT request form or DRF for physical securities if applicable. Remember, choosing a reliable depository participant is key to a successful investment journey. So do your research, compare your options and take the plunge into the exciting world of stock trading. Happy investing! और अगर आपको स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग सीखनी है और अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना है, then download the StockGrow app now.